Nick Jonas. Priyanka Chopra's hubby dearest Nick Jonas has collaborated with Give India and is raising fund to help India in need. Priyanka Chopra along with husband Nick has raised more than 2 crores and 87 lakhs through their fundraiser movement. Will Smith. Recently, the popular actor of Hollywood Will Smith and his family donated a hefty amount of $50,000 for India. The fundraiser in collaboration with Give India has managed to raise $3.68 million. Shawn Mendes. Shawn Mendes has donated to a fundraiser initiative by Give India where Hrithik Roshan too has donated. Jay Shetty has thanked Shawn for donating a huge amount of $50,000 for India in this crisis. Katy Perry. Popular pop star of Hollywood Katy Perry has also donated a hefty amount of money to help India in this time of crisis. She has also asked her fans to donate as much as they can to help India as the country is going through the second wave. Ellen DeGeneres. The popular TV show presenter Ellen DeGeneres has also collaborated with Give India to donate money in time of crisis. Ellen has raised $59,000 which she has donated to the fundraiser. Camila Cabello. Popular pop singer Camila too has taken part in a fundraiser set up by Give India. The singer has raised $6,000 to Give India which will help India in this time of need. Brendan Burchard. Popular author Brendan Burchard recently donated a hefty amount of $50,000 to help India. Reese Witherspoon. Popular Hollywood actress Reese Witherspoon has also come forward to help India in crisis like this. Mindy Kaling. Popular Hollywood actress Mindy Kaling recently took her social media account to ask her fans to help India in this tough time. It is reported that the actress herself has donated a fair amount to an organization helping to improve the situation. Lilly Singh. Popular YouTuber Lilly Singh has also come forward and donated a hefty amount of money to help India. She has even asked her fans to donate as much as they could to help India in this tough time.